at how to manage your client sensitivity. So first off, always ask your clients if they're sensitive to begin with. You can then start them off potentially with just the carbonate peroxide by itself. If your client's open to it, I would highly recommend maybe bumping it up with a hydrogen peroxide, just because the carbonate peroxide is already a 1/3 split hydrogen peroxide. So start them off with maybe both and then taper them off to the carbonate peroxide by itself. Post-treatment, if your client is still sensitive, I highly recommend using a desensitizing gel. This desensitizing gel could be used either at home, give them a sample, or you could do it in office for about 10 minutes. So you can have them completely rinse their whole mouth off and then have them back in the chair for about 10 minutes, apply it just like you would whitening gel, rinse, and then use a fluoride toothpaste